Hello and welcome back to Life with MoYo. I want to say a special hello to my 211 followers that I have gained. I want to show you my tree. I'm very proud of it. It is a 6-foot tree from Walmart and it was only 30 bucks. Now, I didn't have any lights, but my peace and joy sign was from Target. The antlers were from Hobby Lobby and the tree skirt as well. The rest of the huge ornaments that are on the tree are from Target. The M&M are from Target as well, and the star. I also got my feathers from Walmart, and the spokes and coils were from Walmart as well. I stuck them in the middle of the tree. Also, the ribbon around the tree is from Hobby Lobby as well. They had a huge sale. I just love this tree and the details of the tree and how they sparked and how they all came together. Also, another tidbit, my doormat and my wreath are both from Target. When I saw it, it was just beautiful and I just had to get it. It actually was fresh, so every time I opened my door to leave out or come back in, it smelled like fresh Christmas tree. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to click and subscribe.